Hi, I'm Chef Megha, the corporate chef of Oro Kitchen and Bar and Summer House Cafe. I started cooking at the age of 7. I always knew I was going to be a chef, so that was a no-brainer for me. I had to quit traditional college and went to culinary school in Manila. A few hotels and restaurants later, here I am. The kitchen is stereotyped to be a very male-dominated space, and there's no denying that even I have faced some situations like this. A lot of passive aggression by my colleagues, especially when I'm new at a certain kitchen. But I think the best way to probably get over is to just work your way out and lead by example. It's just the passion that I have to do what I want. I don't look at any days as good or bad. I just see some as a little difficult, which needs to be a little bit worked upon a little more, maybe, I guess. But I think it's just your passion, and it's just the fact that you have to get things done. I love the fact that I get to do a lot of research and development. I get to meet a lot of people. Every day I'm cooking something new. I'm going to the markets, finding new things. So there's actually everything that I love about my job. I don't think I can think of anything that I don't. You don't really need to prove to anybody. You don't need to be loud. I think you come with your talent, you come with your work, you come with everything backing you. And I think that would speak for itself. Women can be demure and be quiet and still make a mark in the world.